Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we have successfully completed 7 chapter in the business studies of class 11th. Today, I am going to start with chapter 8. The name of chapter is Small Business and Enterprises. In this chapter, we will going to learn about entrepreneurship, concept, need, process, MSMED Act 2006, role of small business in India with a special reference to rural areas, government schemes and agencies for small scale industries, National Small Industries Corporation NSIC and District Industrial Center DIC with a special reference to rural, backward and hilly areas. Now, as the topic entrepreneurship, we start with entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur seeks an enterprise because it results in creating goods and services which brings happiness, joy, comfort and peace. Every human being look for a world full of happiness, joy, comfort and peace. In order to bring this, the entrepreneur looks for opportunities for converting the challenges into comfort. Setting up of an enterprise is setting up of a venture which brings about the changes. Now, what is the need for entrepreneurship? Basically, there are 6 needs why we need entrepreneurship. First is social benefit. Entrepreneur always try to adopt latest technology and raise the standard of living by providing good quality goods and services at lowest cost. Employment opportunities. Entrepreneurship not only provides the scope for self-employment but also offer employment to large number of people as in the case of successful enterprise. Increased profit. An entrepreneur always tries to minimize cost. He always tries to get optimum use of resources. The reduction of cost and increase in efficiency always result in increase in the profit. Growth of the economy. The entrepreneur adapt to changes as changes take place in the environment. The changes adopted by entrepreneur in enterprise even brings changes in the society and the entire economy. Provide innovation. Entrepreneur is an innovator who tries new method of production, new technology, new ways of marketing. He develops new business ideas and puts them into action to enhance the process of economic development. Last is lifeline of a nation. Entrepreneurship is a yardstick to measure the development of any country, as no country can prosper and grow without the development of entrepreneurship. We can generally see that in US, UK and other developed countries there are well developed and well established enterprise. So every nation tries to increase its rates by having more enterprises. Now, moving to the process of entrepreneurship, basically it is 8-step process. First is self-discovery. Second is identifying opportunities. Under this step, he tries to find out the need, want and problem so that he can get an opportunity to overcome the problems and fulfill the needs. Third, generating and evaluating the ideas. Through various measures such as discussion, brainstorming and his own experience, he tries to develop a new ideas. Planning. Under this step, entrepreneur conduct research, makes business plans and strategies. Raising of startup capital. Then finally startup. Under this step, the entrepreneur launches his enterprise and tries to develop more customer. He also makes changes as per changes in the environment. Growth. Entrepreneur tries to expand and grow the enterprise. And the last is harvest. This is the last step in the process of entrepreneurship. In this step, selling the business and harvesting the reward. Again, I repeat, this means selling the business and harvest the reward. Many entrepreneurs sell their existing business and start a new venture. So students, there are 8 steps of the process of entrepreneurship: self-discovery, identifying opportunity, generating and evaluating ideas, planning, raising startup capital, startup, growth and harvest. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.